Close your eyes. Think of a beach. A beach with a little bit of grass and a little bit of wear and tear. You can see a little bit of the ocean, just enough to see sailboats in the distance, and on the other side, a mountain. Back to the beach, there's a fence. You can see that the fence goes for a long way, but right up close where you are, the fence is broken. It's broken to the point you can tell not anyone has been there in a while. Beside the fence, there's a rowboat. The rowboat has apparently not been in the ocean in a while. The colors are faded, a faded white on top and a faded red on the bottom. And on the very front tip of the rowboat, there's a brown color that you can only assume is the dirt and the dust that has sat as it's aged since the last time it was used. There's grass growing out from underneath the rowboat and all along the remnants of the fence that you can see. Behind the fence, behind the rowboat, is a hill. A hill with grass going up it that you can see may be a walkway up to a lighthouse. The lighthouse has a red roof that matches the rowboat. The lighthouse also looks old. It makes you think maybe there's someone that lives in the lighthouse that used to love going on the rowboat. Maybe they can't go on the rowboat anymore, and maybe they're confined to the lighthouse. There's 22 windows on the lighthouse, and then 2 on the actual posts. Around the lighthouse there's a balcony. Not all the way at the top, but about halfway down. Behind the lighthouse, there's clouds. And not just the white clouds that you see anywhere you go, the white clouds with the purple hue, with just a little bit of blue sky behind them. It's a dull blue up in the top, but as you look further down to the horizon, the blue becomes richer and almost matches the color of the sea. You can see that there's waves, a couple waves, right before you get to the rowboats in the mountain. They intentionally left out the part of the mountain because they wanted you to focus on the lighthouse and the rowboat. It's obviously the color of earth, but not the color of the sand that's on the beach. In front of the clouds, you can see seagulls. Dozens of seagulls just flying over the sailboats, forgotten about the rowboat and the person in the lighthouse. As you go back across the sea, back up to the lighthouse, back down the hill, crossing the fence, and back to the rowboat. There's one lonely post where the fence appears to have begun, fallen, and not been used in a long time.